Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna at 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing the Zero Translator. It's a travel translator for voice. It even has noise cancellation. So it comes on this little card and we'll show you how that works in just a moment. They give you some documentation. It's pretty quick, but here it is right here. It's magnetically held into the card. So basically you just pop it in here when you're done. They have two different versions of this. They have the USB Type-C, then they also have the Lightning for the iPhone. We'll give you some quick information about it right here. So you can pause this anytime and then continue watching the video after that. It has 40 languages and 93 different accents. It has voice separation between up to 4 different sources. It also transcribes and records so you can look at what was said later on, and it has noise cancellation feature as well. So like I said, it has up to 93 different accents. And then here's a USB-C phone, Android, and it just plugs in right to the bottom. Even with the case on, it still connects properly. This is called the Zero. You just unplug it or plug it back in whenever you need. So I'll show what it looks like plugged in. So there's no battery in this translator. The translator works from the battery and the software from TimeKettle. It has 3 modes. The first mode is translation mode. Second is meeting mode. And the third is interview mode. All of these modes will be discussed in the description at the bottom of the video, so be sure to check that out. It has adaptive noise cancellation that I mentioned earlier, and the 40 languages and 93 accents is key. What's great is it also has access to up to 14 translation servers worldwide, and the company says that it'll work even in China behind the firewall there. So that's really good to know if you're in China doing business or taking a class. This is the Zero Translator from TimeKettle. Please subscribe to the channel and we appreciate those positive comments. Thank you.